Well, now we go on. Complete the table below. Remember every type of completion question. Table completion, sentence completion, flowchart completion, diagram completion, any completion type of question is type A. Questions and answers are in order. So we've got 8 to 13 and questions and answers are going to be in order. Complete the table below. Choose one word only from the passage for each answer. How many words? One word. And one word from where? From the passage. There must not be any spelling mistake in Ielts reading. If you do that, that will be your own careless mistake. Okay? Because you have to see the word there and write it down. Okay, write your answers in the boxes 8 to 13 on your answer sheet. Reasons why polar bears should be protected. Reasons why polar bears should be protected. So we need to find a paragraph. Please come to fourth last paragraph of the passage. The medical benefits of the polar bear for humanity certainly have their importance. What does that mean? It means the reasons why polar bears should be protected. Second page of your passage, the medical benefits of the polar bear for humanity certainly have their importance in our conservation efforts. Conservation means polar bears should be protected, and reasons means benefits. So it means we will find the answers in this paragraph. Again, I'm telling you, your target number 1 should be to locate the part of the passage where there is the answer. And if it is type A questions, then you find one answer, rest you will find after that, right? Now we read the question. People think bears as unintelligent. Now look here, give me a word for unintelligent. Give me a word for unintelligent. Stupid, silly, idiot, gada, whatever you want to say, dumb, and all that. So we look for the word unintelligent. Please go on. Unintelligent, unintelligent. All right, the word is unintelligent is not violent. Come on, for God's sake. Unintelligent is, come on, stupid. Yes, stupid is the word. Okay? All right, stupid. So, now, let's see. Come back to the question. Question number 8. Unintelligent and dash. Now listen, very, very simple. The word and is important. Whatever the word for unintelligent is, after and, whatever the next or previous word is, that will be your answer. So please come to this paragraph. I'm reading it for you from 4th line. Bears, on the other hand, found it? Bears, on the other hand, seem to be perceived as stupid. Stupid is unintelligent. And in many cases, violent. So they are unintelligent and violent, absolutely. With the correct spelling, okay? Violent. All good? Yeah? Okay, let's go on. Question number 9. In Tennoji Zoo, what's the clue word? Tennoji Zoo. Look for Tennoji Zoo. Underline that. A male bear called Gogo in Tennoji Zoo. Got it? Now you have the location and now you read the question. So first reading is skim reading. Okay? So, let's see. In Tennoji Zoo, a bear has been seen using a branch as a. Right? Let's go back and we read it. Using a branch as a. Tennoji Zoo, please follow me. A male bear called Gogo in Tennoji Zoo, Osaka, has even been observed making use of a tool to manipulate his environment. Making use of a tool to manipulate his environment. Let's go on. The bear used a tree branch. So he used tree branch as a tool. You know, sometimes you use a piece of stick as a tool. Right? Piece of stick as a tool. So he used a tree branch as a tool. So the answer is tool. T-O-O-L. All right, let's go on. This allowed him. This means the use of tool. This means use of tool. And what did he use as a tool? A tree branch. This allowed him to knock down something. Go back. Same line, same paragraph. Knock down. For that they use the word dislodge. Yes. The bear used a tree branch on multiple occasions to dislodge a piece of meat. So what will be the answer? Meat or piece of meat? Why meat? Yes, that's right. So if you write piece of meat, your answer is absolutely wrong. Got it? Meat is the right answer. In the same way, like the story of thirsty crow. So the crow used stone as a tool to raise the surface of water, right? All right, let's go on. Question number 11. A wild polar bear worked out a method of reaching a platform. Now look here. The word platform is important. Platform where a dash was located. Platform where a dash means something or someone was located. A platform where dash was located. So let's go back. Same paragraph. Last line, you find the word platform. So I'm reading it. Okay, whenever you find the clue word, look here, important point. Whenever you find the clue word, read that line from the last full stop. Okay, so where is the last full stop? A calculated, I'm reading it from there. Same paragraph, third last line. A calculated move by a male bear involved running and jumping onto barrels in an attempt to get to a photographer standing on a platform. So that platform was for photographer. So what will be the answer? Photographer platform. Where a photographer was located. Reaching a platform where a photographer was located means photographer standing. For standing they use the word located. So the answer is photographer. And I advise you all write down the question number where I locate the answer. When you go back home, practice. Just go back, okay, this is the question, this is the answer. This is the question, this is the answer. This will help you a lot. Question number 12. Polar bears have displayed behavior such as conscious manipulation of objects and activities similar to. Now look here. What can be another word for similar to? For similar to, resembles, or they use the word like, look like. Okay, let's go back and we see polar bears have displayed behavior such as conscious manipulation of objects and activities similar to. So, let's come to third last paragraph. In other studies, such as one by Ellison Ames in 2008, polar bears showed deliberate and focused manipulation. The clue word has come. Now let's read carefully. For example, Ames observed bears putting objects in piles and then knocking them over in what appeared to be a game. Appeared to be. Now what does it mean, appear to be? Appear to be means similar to, absolutely. So appear to be a game similar to a game. And by the way, article will help you as well. Appear to be a game, similar to a game. Now appear to be and similar to, these are synonyms. Same like Ielts listening, synonyms are everywhere. And the answer is game. Question number 13, bears may also display emotions. For example, question number 13, they may, what do they mean by they? Bears, and you should know that, okay? Bears may make movements suggesting, now look here, bears are having some movements, these movements suggest something. For example, when the dog is wagging its tail, it means the dog is happy, right? So the movements suggest dash if disappointed when hunting. So when they are disappointed, what does it suggest? Let's go back. Second last paragraph. Can you see the word emotions and all that? Movements. As for emotions, please follow me. Second last paragraph. As for emotions, while the evidence is once again anecdotal, many bears have been seen to hit out at ice and snow, seemingly out of frustration when they have just missed out on a kill. Find the answer. Answer is here. Seemingly out of frustration when they have just missed out on a kill. Missed out on a kill means disappointed when hunting. So what will be the answer? Frustration. Seemingly out of frustration means they may make movements. And what is the movement? What is the movement? Hit out at ice and snow. Like, when human people do, oh God, oh no, like that. So hit out on ice and snow, that is the movement. And out of frustration, so movement suggesting. Suggesting, answer is frustration. Now you should find all these things. Ki answer kyun hai? Pata to chal gaya, answer is this. Now why? All right, there they use this word, that word. This word has this meaning. This word has this meaning. This is how you will learn. Now, for example, if you only look at question number 13, you learn so many words. For example, movements suggesting. And what is the word for movements? Hit, snow. Hit out snow. Then disappointed when hunting. What is the word for hunting? Kill. And what is the word for disappointed? When they have just missed out on a kill. So this is the language you need to master. Language of questions, language of passage. And this is only done through practice. If I give you a list of words that you learn these words, they will never help you. Because you never know. This is called paraphrasing. This is called rewording. So for movements, they talk about walk, running. Running is movement. Walk is movement. Okay? So it's just like that. Okay?